Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change your name and username on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on your activity. Then scroll until you find account history. Then tap on it. After that, tap on name. Next, change your name. After you are done with changing your name, you can see the option of tick button on top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next, tap on change name. After that, go to username and tap on it. Then change your username. After you are done with changing your username, you can see the option of tick button on top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change your name and username on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.